Mr. Vogue at the helm of the Enterprise.
No! 40 feet! I think it's clean. Was that clean?
That was clean. That was awesome. You got applause. There you go.